and woof. The g.
No.
The
No.
g tug. Rug. G rag. G rug.
So what does that sentence say?
Rug.
No, the whole sentence. Read it again.
Muff and
Muff.
woof. Huh?
Muff.
Muff and woof. The
No.
g tug. Rug. 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 G rag. Rug.
Good work.
G
Good work.
Mac ran to woof. Mac moof and woof. Woof. The g tug. Rip it up roof.
Rip it up, rough.
Rip it up roof.
Rough.
Rough.
You.
Rip it up rough. It nip it at it muff. Right?
Let's see what it says. Nip at it, Muff.
Nip at muff. I did that.
Yeah, I know.
Woof head and it muff and Mac sat on it.
Good.
And rug. Rug. Rag. Rug. It's. Fun for Mac. Moof. And Mac. Moof, woof, and Mac. The end.
What do you want to say to Furfur?
Good job, Kofi.
No, Clark. Clarky, come here. Do you want to tell Furfur a message? Come here. You want to tell her what?
No.
Come here. Do you miss her?
Yes.
Tell her.
Yes. 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 Yes.
What were you asking me
Yes.
this morning about Furfur?
Huh?
What were you asking me this morning about Furfur?
I'm going to be 7 or 6 when Furfur comes back.
You want her to come home?
Yeah.
Okay, so I love you.
Love you.